Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Now you can finally understand why I'm starting my vlog from the Bali High Pier. It's because I live right above it. So, without further ado, the tour of my condo will start by the rooftop pool. The island in the back is Kotlon. If you're a new viewer, check those 3 episodes that I've made about that. Right there is the party room. Down there is the fisherman village, and there is a supermarket under construction in front of it. And this is the view from the back. Earlier I came when no one was using the amenities. The sauna right there. And a gym with all the equipment. And while I'm going down, if you wonder how you can also buy a place like this, this is Condo Connection Property on YouTube, and their link is right there. To use your property more than 30 days, y'all gonna need a visa for that. CM Legal is the firm I use. On YouTube, their link is right there. If y'all feel like renting a motorbike or else, go to a driving license school and they're gonna send you right there. And after that particular day, I had to wait 9 more to retrieve my driving license. And we're back. That's the lobby of my condo. And back there, that's the mailboxes. I want to take the time to show y'all the underground parking lot because that was the main argument that made me buy my condo. If y'all remember way back, people were very skeptical about buying a place in Thailand after the Myanmar earthquake. The real estate agent showed me the foundation of that place on WhatsApp, and the fact that it was designed to resist common earthquake, it made me less worried. And right there is my place. Living room, balcony, and my bedroom. Kitchen. Bathroom. As of today, a lot of things have changed. This is Christmas time. And also, y'all know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. In Martinique, we are celebrating Christmas while eating pâté salé. It's a Caribbean delicacy that I'm making right now. If y'all wanna have the recipe, there is several online, but me, I'm gonna use my mom's. That is pork loin, but you can also use chicken if you wanted to. I made 3 pâté stuffings. I'm about to use half of one for this. And there you go, a Caribbean Christmas in Thailand. Alright, y'all. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.